Welcome back to Madera Farms. Today we are making pickled onions. If you have not had pickled onions, you are definitely missing out. I am just starting with 1.5 cup of water, and I'm going to go ahead and put that onto the stove and let it come to almost a boil. Do not let it boil. Then I'm going to cut up 3 onions. These are not from our garden. I just went to the store and bought them, and I am slicing them as thin as I can. Do not come at me for how I cut my onions. I know it is terrifying and I am not good at cutting, but I am scared to use my mandolin because I slice the top of my finger off when I use that thing. So I am just cutting them pretty thin and putting them into a mason jar. It does not have to be perfect. You can double this recipe if you want. And to be honest, it's not really a recipe. It's more of a just go with whatever feels right to make a brine. If you want it a little more spicy, you can do that. Here I am just putting in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, a tiny bit of red pepper. I just throw in some dill and a little bit of pickling seasonings. I like mine a little more tart. I also put in 1.5 cups of white vinegar. And then I'm making sure that everything is mixed, the salt's dissolved, the sugar's dissolved, and then I am going to throw it into the mason jars. The trick for this is to make sure that your liquid is covering the onions, and then I'm going to go ahead and place on my lid tight, and then I'm going to shake these. I like to just try and get the spices and seasonings all throughout the jar. And then I am just going to put these into the refrigerator until dinner tonight. We are going to be making shrimp tacos, and these are going to be perfect on top of the shrimp tacos. So after I put them into the refrigerator, you can see that they're turning more of a pink color. How fun is this to put on top of something? Tonight I decided to do shrimp tacos for dinner. These pickled onions are going to be so good on top of it. If you have not tried this cilantro lime sauce, it is definitely worth it. I tried to remake it myself and it just didn't turn out so good. So I'm going to go ahead and put my pickled onions right on here. Guys, again, give it a try. It's so easy and I promise you will love them. And they're not bad for your gut health either. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Bye, friends.